In this video, I'm going to show how to create a brand new page with DXPR Builder's new AI tooling. So we're going to create a partner program page for dxpr.com, and basically there's two approaches to get started. If I want to have more control on how to generate the page, I would do it section by section. So I could start with simple hero section, and it will just generate that. Asking for a hero section without any subject is enough because the AI is informed about the title of the page. So it made a full height section, and yeah, it looks like a fine hero section. But today I'm going to be generating this page as a whole to get some inspiration for what kind of layout and what kind of information we can put in here. So I'm going to give the AI a bit more information. Partner program page aimed at collaborating with Drupal agencies to help implement DXPR Builder products and services. Do I want to add anything here? Let's just see where this gets us. Probably we'll want to add more details later, but we can see what kind of sections it comes up with, use those ideas and refine the sections to have more details about the actual program we want to offer. It's using web search to learn all it can about DXPR. And we are writing. It's interesting, but it's technical information that's not really relevant for a partner program page. This is good, this is fine too. I'm just going to ask it to rewrite this section, or maybe just take this out. Let's ask for a customer success stories section. Or actually I should say partner success stories section. So we can get some testimonials in there. I'll leave it up to the AI to decide where to put it, and it's going to scroll down to where the new section will be generated. So right before the call to action, which is perfect. Alright, so I'm happy with this start of a new page, and this is how you use DXPR Builder's basic tooling to create a new page.